Ethereum, the coin everyone seems to have written off this bull market. Well, guess what? I am not wavering. I think Ethereum is still set for a massive move this bull market. $10,000, $12,000, $15,000, who knows right now. But in this video, we're going to break down some key reasons as to why I think Ethereum is going to be big. And more importantly, if you're bullish on RWA, well, you definitely need to watch this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We bring you daily cryptocurrency content to make sure that your portfolio is growing at the same time as everyone else's. Let's get into this video. It is a good one. So it's fair to say Ethereum's been having a pretty rough ride. This is the price versus Bitcoin on the weekly chart, and you can see that the last 5 weeks have been incredibly challenging as Ethereum continues to drain out. BTC been holding in around 96 to 98,000, but Ethereum has been on the decline. However, what you can see is some very interesting buying pressure coming back in on Ethereum. You only have to take a look as to this to understand why. So on this chart here, let me just move my face out of the way. You've got some very interesting analysis. You've got the earnings on the Ethereum blockchain, as well as daily active addresses and the total token trading volume built on Ethereum. Again, many people say Ethereum is a dead chain. People want to move to Solana. There's no hype. Well, these charts absolutely tell us the complete opposite. We are seeing earnings on Ethereum go up. Validators are getting paid. We are seeing more and more come on board. Don't forget, Pectra upgrade is coming very soon as well. You have an increase in active addresses, people trading on Ethereum every single day. And this is an uptrend from the start of the December move right up until today. We are actually seeing an increase, and with an increase in that comes token trading volume. Yes, Solana has the lion's share, but don't sleep on Ethereum. We are still seeing well over 200,000 in trading volume, and don't forget, over 450,000 active addresses that are trading daily on the Ethereum blockchain. This is the layer 1 version. These are big deals. These are big deals. You've got massive inflows coming into such likes as ARK Invest, Aerodrome Finance, as well as some big exchanges once again stacking their bags on Ethereum. Bitfinex, OKX, you can see crypto.com as well, all buying in the millions of dollars worth of Ethereum and put it into their hot wallet. Why is this? There is a run coming on Ethereum and people simply don't see it. So the question is, why? Well, let's take a look at 3 reasons as to why I think Ethereum is on the move. Spot Ethereum ETF inflows are signaling growing demand. Ethereum, not many people know, is very institutionalized. Big corporations enjoy Ethereum because it's the second biggest cryptocurrency, but it opens up a gateway to all of the EVM compatible chains. The biggest catalyst for Ethereum's potential recovery, however, is the consistent inflows on these spot Ethereum ETFs that, if you were to ask anyone in the space, would say they are not doing very well. And that's simply not true. Recent data actually reveals that net inflows for 6 consecutive days totaling over $3.17 billion, indicating that institutional investors are taking advantage of the dip. Call me surprised. You've got a falling Ethereum balance on exchanges. This fundamentally means, as I talked about in my XRP video, that people are taking Ethereum off exchanges. Now, with the Pectra upgrade, a lot of people are thinking this is going to be big. Remember, this is all about how easy it is to build on the chain, not about speed, not about scalability, how easy it is to build on Ethereum. This could be a big deal as well. So we are actually seeing net outflows of Ethereum from exchanges. And then there is a bullish reversal pattern coming in the charts. We'll take a look at that in a little bit more detail in just a second. But Vitalik has also finally stopped dating girls and decided he's going to push the Ethereum network, which is good news. We want to see the Ethereum network moving, Vitalik. Come on. Anyway, following concerns about the Ethereum Foundation, and many of you would have heard me talk about this on my live stream, the first concept step was taken regarding the issue as observed in on-chain data. Now, the good thing with Vitalik, he's got deep pockets. The reality here, though, is $132 million, 50,000 Ethereum was actually put into the Ethereum Foundation's multisig wallet. And Vitalik giving a statement saying, Buterin said in his statement that these funds will be spent on participation in the DeFi sector. Good news, Vitalik. Music to everybody's ears. Long-standing concerns regarding the transparency in the Ethereum Foundation, but this goes one step closer to making sure that it is good. They've also been calls for the foundation to either deposit or distribute some of its roughly $1 billion in Ethereum holdings onto the chain. The foundation has yet and cited selling pressure on Ethereum by swapping its holdings for stablecoins to pay salaries. This hopefully is now the end of that. So this is a good news story and fundamentally is positive. And this is why we potentially see Ethereum setting up for a break. Now, there are some key levels we need to get through. 2,700 is a big support level, and 2,900 would be a key measure. $3,000 though is the one we need to break above. But I said right at the start of this video, If you're not bullish on Ethereum, you simply can't be bullish on RWA. Now, we know that RWA is a big thing for the Trump administration. We know that he's heavily invested in Ondo, which is going to bring US treasuries as well as bonds to the blockchain. Well, you take a look at some of these key RWA players, and I actually think RWA is going to be massive and is probably the future that we know for cryptocurrency. Well, guess what? Chainlink, Mantra, Ondo, Algorand, XDC, many of these cryptocurrencies are the top performing RWAs. Let's take a look at a couple of these in a bit of detail. Chainlink, built on Ethereum. Mantra, built on Ethereum. Ondo, guess where that one's built? That's right, Ethereum. Ethereum is the place where most of these RWA players are there. So if you're big on RWA, you have to be big on Ethereum because fundamentally that is where they're built. And I think these are some of the key things that are going to push the price of Ethereum and are going to drive adoption from a global standpoint, but more importantly, from an institutional investment as well. We know the money that can flow into ETFs can be huge. We know there's a desire, and imagine there is staking on an ETF could be pretty wild. So let's take a look at what's going on in Ethereum right now. Well, look, the reality is we are on another retracement, not too dissimilar though for the rest of the market. We need to hold this 236 Fibonacci at 25.89 with a little bit of go to come down before a reversal retest of the 282. However, look at the 200 moving average. It's in there around the $3,000 mark. Very interesting. This is going to be our key metric to keep an eye on over the course of the next coming few weeks. We think, as do many experts, there is a move coming. We could even get some more executive actions out of Donald Trump next week, specifically relating to crypto. And the big news, we could get a cryptocurrency council in which you get Brad Garlinghouse, Brian Armstrong, one of those as part of that council. This could be a big injection of excitement into the cryptocurrency market, and don't forget, from Wall Street as well. So watch out. Ethereum, in my view, going to be 5 figures this bull market. Let me know your price prediction is in the description. And if you're bullish on Ethereum, let me know that as well. Simply drop it in the chat as always. Thank you so much for watching the video. Check out the links in the description as always. And guess what? We'll be back with some more cryptocurrency content for you right here on the 2Bit Crypto channel. We'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.